Okay, now what is given in 4C? Solve the following equation using systematic method. बोलो कौन बताएगा इसका आंसर? Who will tell me the answer for this? Yes, बोलो आर्या मिरकड. Yes, Arya.
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
Yes, sir. The question is minus y plus
Hmm.
36 is equals to 32. So
Hmm.
we will do in systematic method. Then it will be equation minus y plus 36 minus 36 32 minus 36. So 36 will be cut. Then minus y is equals to minus 36 minus 4. So the
Minus.
y will be minus 4.
This minus minus will also get cancelled on both the sides. So y is equal to 4.
Yes, sir. Sir, and one more.
Hmm.
Sir, I daily join the class, but in sir, when you post the absentee, there is always my name.
It is not absentee beta. Now I am posting the present student names. And if your ID is not renamed properly, so I have given this clear instructions that mark it as absent. So it is your responsibility to keep your ID name proper.
Okay, sir.
Okay, next one. D1. Akshara, bolo.
So the question is 2y minus 6 equals to 8. So we will do 2y minus 6 plus 6 equals to 8 plus 6.
Okay, so 2y minus 6
Minus 6 plus 6 equals to 8 plus 6. So 6 will cut. It will be 2y is equal to 14.
so
Then y is equal to 14 divided by 2. It is y is equal to 7.
correct. Y is equal to 7. Okay, next Kalash, bolo.
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
Sir, solve the following question and check the result. Sir, so the first question 10p is equal to 10. So, sir, we should do variable one side and constant one side. So, sir, we'll take p in LHS and 10 is in multiplication here. So, we will shift 10 to RHS by divide. P, sir, though p is equal to 100 divided 10.
Okay.
So, p is equal to 10.
So P is equal to 10. How we will check the result now?
Sir, we will put 10 in the value of p. That is 10 in bracket 10 is equal to 100. 10 into 10 is equal to 100.
First, we will write the equation 10P is equal to 100. Then we will put P is equal to 10 in above equation. Okay. So 10 multiplied by 10, which is equal to 100. So 100 is equal to 100. We are getting, that means we have checked our result. Okay. Next, we will try the next one. हाँ बोलो पलक.
Yes, sir. Sir, the question is 2p 2p minus 6 is equals to 0. So, sir, here we will here 6 we will put 6 in the RHS side plus 6. 2p is equals to 0 plus 6.
So 2p minus 6 is equal to 0. This is my main equation. What is the main rule here? Shift all the variable terms on LHS and all the constant terms on RHS. So 2p will remain this side only. This 6 we will have to shift it to RHS. So this
Yes.
will become 0 plus 6. So
So
2p,
2p is equals to 6. P is equals to 6 upon 2. P is equals to 3. Now, now we will write 2p minus 6 is equals to 0. Then put p is equals to 3 in above equation.
correct.
Then we will write 2 into 3 minus 6 is equals to 0. So 2 3s are 6 minus 6 is equals to 0. 0 is equals to 0. So our answer is correct.
Okay. Our answer is verified.
Yes.
Okay, next one. Who will try the next one? Bolo, Om Jadhav. Om Jadhav.
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
Sir, we will write first main equation. 10x plus 10 is equal to 100. Answer solution. 10x is equal to 100 minus 10.
Okay. So first we will write 10x plus 10, which is equal to 100.
Is equal to 100.
Now what is our rule?
10x is equal to 100 minus 10.
10x, which is equal to 100 minus 10. We have shifted the constant term to RHS.
10x is equal to 19. 90. X is equal to 90 by 10. X is equal to 9.
Correct. X is equal to 9.
Now put x is equal to 10x plus 10.
Put x is equal to 9
X is equal to 9 in above equation.
in above equation. Okay.
Uh, 10 multiplied by 9 plus 10 is equal to 90 plus 10, 100. 90 plus 10 is equal to 100.
So 100, it is equal to 100. Hence verified.
Yes, sir.
Mute yourself. Next, Yatharth Poplia bolo. Yatharth.
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
2x equals to minus 8. So
Okay.
then we will write x equals to minus 8 by 2. X equals to minus 4.
Okay. Now we will have to check the result.
2 bracket 4. Sir, 2 into 4.
Put x is equal to minus 4 in above equation. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So 2.
So then 2 into minus 4 equals to minus 8. Minus 8 equals to minus 8.
Hence our result is verified.
Yes, sir.
Next, Lakshmi Vazawar.
Yes, sir. 1 minute. Sir, question. Yes. Now question is very good. Sir, now we have to solve the equation. Check the result. So the question is 2x plus 3 is equals to 13. So sir, 2x plus 3 is equals to 13 is equals to 2x is equals to 13 minus 3 is equals to 2x is equals to 10. X is equals to 10 divided by 2, it's 5. So sir, 2 raised to 5 plus 3.
What? 2 raised to 5 plus 3?
Sorry. X is 5.
Lakshmi Nivas, what's your problem? Put x is equal to 5 in above equation. So 2 multiplied by 5 plus 3, which is equal to 13. So 10 plus 3, which is equal to 13. So 13 is equal to 13. Is the chapter easy or not? Is this chapter easy or not? This chapter is very easy. Okay. If your concepts are clear now, this chapter is very easy, because here we don't have to keep any formula. We don't have to remember anything. Okay. Just we have to remember one thing while shifting the sign changes. Okay. अगर प्लस होगा तो माइनस होता है, माइनस होगा तो प्लस होता है, और मल्टीप्लिकेशन में होगा तो डिवीजन में चला जाता है, डिवीजन में होगा तो मल्टीप्लिकेशन में है. बस इतना ही ध्यान में रखना है. देयर इज नो फॉर्मूला फॉर दिस चैप्टर. Okay, next one. F. Who will tell the F1? Who will tell the F1? Who will tell me the F1? See, only the regular students, they are giving me the answer. What about the new ones? Okay, Arya, bolo.
Yes, sir. Sir, only I have to ask this, that if that x plus 2 and x plus 4 are bracket, so can we do variable one side and constant one side?
Yes, we have to do that only. Variable on one side and constant on other side.
No, sir, like that x plus x, then 4 plus 31 minus 2. Like
See,
that I am asking.
see, if I remove the bracket also, there is no problem. Okay, I can write it like this, which is equal to x plus 4 plus 31. Now it will be more easy for you to shift the variable terms on one side and constant terms on the other
Yes,
side.
sir. So then we will write x plus x is equals to 4 plus 31
x
minus
plus
2.
x plus x नहीं होगा, ये x इधर प्लस में, उधर जाने के बाद माइनस में आ जाएगा.
Minus.
And what is 4 plus 31? It is 35. उसमें से ये 2
35
सब्सट्रैक्ट करना
minus
पड़ेगा.
2.
So
2x
2x
minus 1
minus
x on
x is equal to 33. Yes or no? Is it clear to you, this question? Now we will have to check it. So our main equation we will write first. X plus 2, which is equal to x plus 4 plus 31. Okay. So 33 plus 2, which is equal to 33 plus 4 plus 31. तो बोलो 33 plus 33 66 plus 2 68. और इधर बोलो अभी 33 plus 4 is 37. 37 plus 31 is again 68. Is it clear to you? Give the response in the chat box. Okay, Akshara bolo next.
Yes, sir. Sir,
Hmm.
the question is 15 bracket. Sir, we will multiply the 15 into y. It is 15y.
Correct. Aage.
Then 15 into 4, it is 60.
Okay. 15y it will come first. 15 से हमने अंदर मल्टीप्लाई किया ये y को, तो ये 15y
Then
आ
we
गया.
will multiply 15 into 4 minus 60
Okay, next.
minus 2. Sorry, 2 minus 2y minus 18
Plus 18. Because minus 2 multiplied by minus 9 is plus 18.
plus 18. And
Ah.
then plus 5. Then plus 5
First tell me
into
this.
4,
4 plus 6 is how much?
20.
4 plus 6
10.
is 10 multiplied by 5 is how much?
50
So plus 50 will come here.
plus 50 is equal to 0. Then we will shift. So then
15y minus 2y.
15y minus 2y. So we will write it is 13y. Then is equal to minus 50 minus 18 plus 6. Then we will write 13y is equal to.
बोलो कितना आता है अभी ये?
Sir, 1 minute.
-8. -8 it will come. So y is equal
Yes,
to -8 upon 13.
minus 8 upon 13.
Mm.
So then we will verify it. We will put 8 upon minus 8 upon 13 in the place of y. So the 15y minus 4 minus 2 y minus 9 plus 5 plus 4 plus 6 is equal to 0. Then we will put y is equal to minus 8 upon 13. 15 minus 8 upon 13 minus 4 minus 2 then bracket minus 8 upon 13 plus minus 9 upon 1. So then we will take the LCM of minus 8 upon 13 and
बोलो.
so could we take LCM of minus
Yes,
8 upon
definitely. Rational numbers है दोनों भी. -8 upon 13 और -4 upon 1 दोनों भी rational numbers है ना.
So we will take the LCM of both the minus 8 upon 13 minus 4 upon 1 and minus 8 upon 13 minus 9 upon 1. So the LCM will be 13. So we will write 4 into 13 and 1 into 13 minus 2, then minus 8 upon 13, then minus 9 to 13 and 1 into 13.
1 into 13.
Then
and plus 50.
Plus 50
हाँ,
is
बोलो.
equal to 0. Then 15 minus 8, 15 then bracket minus 8 upon 13 minus 52 upon 13. Then minus 2, then bracket minus 13 minus 117 upon 13. Then we will minus the bracket one is equal to 15.
I'm writing it here. There is no space there now. So 15.
15, then we will write minus 8 minus 52 upon 13. It is minus 60 upon 30.
Okay, next.
Then we will write as it is. Then we will write we will do minus 8 minus 117. It is minus 125.
Next.
Plus 50 is equal to 0. Then we multiply 15 into 60.
So 15 into 60, it will come minus 900 upon 30.
Minus 900 upon 13. Then minus 2 50 and then 13 plus 50
This will become plus
plus
because this is minus into minus.
minus minus plus. Then we will write plus 50 is equal to 0. Then we will add subtract minus 900 and minus plus 250. It is minus 1150.
What? It is
No,
minus
sir.
900 and plus 250. The denominator is same. Okay, so we can operate it. It will come minus 650. Now 13 ones are and 13 fives are. So minus 50 plus 50. Finally, we will do.
Minus 50 plus 50 is equal to minus 50 plus 50 is
We-
equal to 0.
Who is this? My book is incomplete and send me the PDF file. What's your name? Lakshminivas Zawar. Beta, I don't have any PDF file. You check the videos and from there you complete the book now.
Yes, sir.
हाँ. और पीडीएफ फाइल ऐसा नहीं देता हूं मैं कि हर क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करके उसमें सब लिखा होता है. पीडीएफ फाइल में सिर्फ हम लोग जो मेन पॉइंट्स होते हैं ना उतना ही मैं शेयर करता हूँ. बाकी सारे क्वेश्चंस वीडियोस में ही हम लोग सॉल्व करते हैं. Okay, next one. Who will do the next one? Palak, bolo. Palak Jain.
Yes, sir. Sir, I am audible.
Yes.
Yes, sir. So your question is 6x plus 1 upon 3 plus 1 is equal to 7x minus 3 upon 2. So, sir, first here we will do. Sir, can we shift 1 to the RHS side?
Yes, because it is a constant term. We can shift it.
6x plus 1 upon 3 is equals to 7x minus 3 upon 2 minus 1.
ये देखो पलक, ये टर्म मैंने LHS में ही रखा है. I have kept this term in LHS. ये टर्म को मैंने LHS में शिफ्ट कर दिया तो ये प्लस था ये पूरा टर्म, तो यहाँ पे माइनस में आ जाएगा वो. ओके, दैट इज इक्वल टू -1. कांस्टेंट टर्म
Yes.
प्लस था, इधर शिफ्ट करने के बाद माइनस हो जाएगा. नाउ डू द क्रॉस मल्टीप्लीकेशन हियर.
Yes, sir. 6x plus 1 into 2.
So 12x plus 2.
Yes, 12x plus 2.
Minus
7x. No.
21x.
20. Yes, minus 21x.
And plus
So,
3.
Yes, plus 3.
Plus 9. Plus 9. 3 3s is 9. This minus into minus, it will become plus.
Yes, sir.
Upon.
Sir, then.
Upon 3 2s
Yes,
is
then
6.
upon 3. Yes. Now, sir, we will do 12 plus 2, that is 14x.
12 plus 2 is 14.
Sorry, sir. We will shift 6 to the RHS side in multiplication. So 12x plus 2 minus 21x plus 9 is equals to minus 1 into 6.
So minus 6 it will become.
Yes.
Now what about these two terms?
Sir, first we will take the variable side one term and a constant one side. So minus 9x is equals to minus 6 minus 2 minus 9. So minus 9x is equals to 6 plus 2, 8, 8 plus 9, minus 1.
Minus 17, everything is in minus beta.
Sir, minus minus plus and plus minus minus.
मल्टीप्लीकेशन में होता है, माइनस इंटू माइनस प्लस मल्टीप्लीकेशन में होता है. ओके, हियर देयर इज नो मल्टीप्लीकेशन.
Yes.
अगर ये समझ में नहीं आ रहा है ना, ऐसे करो बेटा, -6 और -2 ये हो जाता है -8, फिर इसमें क्या जोड़ना है, -9, तो ये दोनों साथ में करने के बाद आ जाएगा -17. So minus minus will get cancelled on both the sides. So x will be equal to -17,
17 upon 9.
17 upon 9.
Yes. Now we will check.
Hmm.
So we will write first the term, that is 6x plus 1 upon 3 plus 1 is equals to 7x minus 3 upon 2.
Okay. Now we'll check the results. So
Yes.
6x plus 1 upon 3 plus 1.
Plus
See,
1 is
for
equal to
every question, I am writing the answer stepwise. Huh? I also expect that you will write the answers in your CW stepwise. Otherwise, you will not get marks in exam also. And in CW also, if you have not written it stepwise, I will give a remark in your CW also. Put x is equal to 17 upon 9. I am writing each and every question for you stepwise. 17 upon 9 in above equation. Okay.
Now we will put the values first. That is 6 in bracket 17 upon 9 bracket close plus 1 upon 3 plus 1 is equals to 7 bracket 17 upon 9 bracket close minus 3 upon 2.
Huh. So what is 6 multiplied by 17? It is 1
617 102.
plus 1.
102 upon 9 plus 1 upon 3
What is 17
is
7
equal to 17 sevens 119.
upon 9 minus 3 upon 2.
9 upon 9 minus 3 upon 2.
Okay.
Now, sir,
Hmm.
here we will again do the cross multiplication.
Okay. So 102 multiplied by 1 plus 1 multiplied by 9.
Yes.
We will do
So
the cross
102 upon
multiplication.
9.
We will do the cross multiplication here first, huh? For this bracket.
Yes. So 102 into 1 is 102.
Shall I erase?
102.
Shall I erase some part of the screen first?
Yes, sir.
Okay. बोलो अभी आगे.
Yes, now this bracket will come 102 into 1 and 9 into 1. So 102 plus 9 upon 9.
Hmm.
And upon 3 is equals plus 1 is equals to.
Here also we will do the cross multiplication.
Yes, sir. So 119 into 1, that is 119. 9 3s are 27. So 119 minus 27 upon 9 upon 2.
So what is 102 plus 9?
102 plus 9. Sir, 111.
Upon 9.
Yes, 111 upon 9 upon 3.
Here 119
Plus 1.
minus 27.
Yes, 119 minus 27. Yes, sir, 119.
Do it fast now. 119 minus 27 to 92.
Yes, sir,
92
92.
upon
92
9.
upon 9.
Hmm.
Upon 2 plus 9 upon 2.
तो यहाँ
Then
पे पलक टेल मी, यहाँ पे 3 के नीचे कुछ भी नहीं तो आई कैन टेक 1 ईयर, एंड यहाँ पे 2 के नीचे कुछ भी नहीं तो आई कैन टेक 1 ईयर, यस और नो?
Yes, sir.
हाँ, तो 111/9 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 1/3 आ जाएगा ये, प्लस 1 which is equal to
Yes.
92/9 multiplied by 1/2 आ जाएगा ये।
By 2.
So
Yes, sir.
111/27 plus 1 which is equal to 92/18.
92/18.
Do the cross multiplication here now.
So it will come 111 plus 27 only.
Upon 27. So how much it will come? 111 plus 27 is how much?
Sir, 139.
130.
88.
138/27. It is equal to 92/18.
2/18.
Now pay attention.
18.
अगर मैं यहाँ पे 2 से डिवाइड करता हूँ तो कितना आएगा? 2 से नहीं, सॉरी 3 से करना पड़ेगा, 3 से।
Yes, sir.
3 से करना पड़ेगा।
So it will become 4s are 12. So 12.
4s are
46.
46 and here 3 से डिवाइड करने
9.
की 9। यहाँ पे भी 3 से करो भला। 3 से नहीं,
No,
2
sir. 9 plus 2, 11.
2 से करो। 46/9 also we will get it.
46/9.
That means LHS is equal to,
RHS.
our answer is verified. Okay,
Yes, sir.
mute yourself, Palak. Now how much questions are remaining? I, J, K, L, M, N. Okay, I, J, K is homework to you. I, J, K is homework to you. You will do it in CW only. हाँ बोलो वैष्णवी। वैष्णवी वाघमारे।
Sir, I have a doubt in previous question.
Which previous question you have a doubt now? Which one? This one?
Huh.
Sir,
in verifying.
Verifying.
How it become a 1209/9/3?
1209. 1209 कहाँ पे आया है? Where is 1209? कहीं पे नहीं है 1209. Which step you are studying?
102 plus 1/9.
हाँ,
Sorry, sir, I have written wrong.
हाँ, okay. Okay, is it clear to everyone? Those students who are taking the attendance, do it fast.